So Hobbit's better?
Yes.
Okay, about 80% better. And he's getting around a little bit more.
Yes.
Okay, good.
You want to run into credit or debit?
So again, what we're looking for, I'm just talking to the camera.
Do it.
What we're looking for is these waves of reactions going down into the body. When that happens, that means that there's neurologic interference. When you have neurologic interference, that means you can have malfunction or you can have pain. So right through there, obviously, we got some reactions, and that's really where his main problem was in his lower back and into his hips. It's okay. It's okay. He was more sensitive in this right hip last time too, just so you know. Now also, we still going here, Lori? Also, we can use this instrument to do some muscle work. This one will probably show a little bit more. Now, he may not love this, okay? See how he's really bouncing down through there, okay? So basically, what this does is it helps to relax the muscle spasms that's keeping everything in place. So as soon as I move down an inch, this really picks up steam. So wherever we get our biggest reactions, that means that's where the most muscle spasm is. So what this instrument does is it creates a pumping action which helps to mobilize the joints, relax the muscles, stimulate the neuromuscular junction, and it also increases and balances out blood flow.